Alright, we're just going to be demonstrating the different type of spread you expect out of a 12 gauge. And this is your 8 shot right here. 1 ounce 8 shot. And then this is your 7 and a 6. And then I found some 4 shot. Now I'm going to go ahead and try those as well. Then I got some military grade buckshot, some Defender slug with buck, and then some regular old slugs. So we're just going to show you the difference. What I'll do is I'll start with the 8 shot, and this is your Stevens Model 320 12 gauge pump action shotgun. I'm just going to load up 1 round of each and shoot it at a different target. Alright, so we're just going to shoot the yellow target once. And this is your 8 shot, your standard bird shot. Oh. Well, go ahead and show you what it turned out to look like. Now that I suppose the wood, this is just your spring clay that went straight through the wood, and then this is your spread on an 8 shot. Looks like it came over a little bit to this target. We're going to go ahead and put some 7 shot in and shoot at this target. Away. And that was your 7 shot. You want to go ahead and take a look at the target. So this is your 6 shot, standard bird shot. Go ahead and take a look at the target, see what that turned out to look like. So this is the 4 shot bird shot high brass. Now I like shooting these. Shoot at the next target over. Looks like I flinched a little bit and I shot real low, so I'm going to try it again. Alright, shot a little bit high, but we'll go ahead and take a look at it. This is the spring clay. Little spring got stuck right in the wood. But you can see the grouping's a little bit tighter. A little less pellets every time. But I'm actually kind of liking the 7 shot. That was a nice grouping. This is your 4 shot. Look, it's stuck in there pretty good. We're going to go ahead and do some buckshot. Some double-aught buck into here. And these are your 2 and 3/4 inch double-aught buckshot. Go ahead and take a look at the target. Looks like it's real accurate. All the pellets hit the paper. Looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pellet shot. Now these are your 3 inch double-aught buckshot. Now the barrel is fit for 3 inch. Let's go ahead and see what it does. Oh yeah, real big bang. Double-aught buck, 3 inch. We went ahead and shot the little splatter target. Looks like it was a good spread. I'd call it the smiley face. Look at it. Made a little smiley face, and the little spring clay got stuck right in the wood, embedded into the wood. Go ahead and take a look at the back side of the wood for you. Pick it up and lean it over the wood. Looks like we're tearing up the wood here. Alright, this is your Stevens Model 320 12 gauge pump action shotgun. Just gonna shoot at some of these jugs I got left over hanging up. I've been shooting all day. A lot of fun. I love shooting. I just like to build muscle memory with my 12 gauges. I do sleep with them at the end of my bed just in case, you know. This is about hallway distance, I like to say. And I'm just kind of building some muscle memory here. I'm going to be popping off a few rounds and reloading it and popping off a few more rounds. Here we go. Now that'll keep them at bay for a little bit. Get some more rounds in. Tell them to step back. Pop another round in. Tell them if you don't step back, I will fire. Unless you already have fired. Making them dance. Oh yeah, whole lot of fun. Not bad recoil on your Stevens. I've heard some people say that after about 100 rounds it starts to malfunction. I've already shot 100 rounds out of it. This is probably about 125 right here. Just guessing. Maybe the 125 round. I love the little cloud of smoke that the sheetrock makes after shooting it. It's a whole lot of fun. Let me go grab a few more rounds and we'll keep shooting. Alright, we got about 6 rounds loaded up and 1 round on my belt left, so we're going to go ahead and pop those off as fast as I can. I'm not like a professional shooter, but I try as hard as I can to shoot it as fast as I can. So let's see how it works out. Locked up a little bit. Stevens Model 320. It's a great shotgun. It's light. It's quick and easy. It works well. It's got a nice long forearm on it. Another thing I like about it. Lars Rec Reviews, thanks for watching.